It's been about a year since I've uploaded. I just got back from Springfield Fireworks. Kind of stocked up. We got Absolute Power, Laser Galaxy, old school Whistling Busters, some artillery shells, crackling artillery, some cheap stuff, some Sir Lancelots, which I believe are repackaged Excals, but I don't know if that's true. If anyone does, let me know. Some Screaming Hawk 60-gram shells. One of my favorites, Echo in the Ear. And of course, we got the Miracle Ultimate Force by Nishiki Kamuru. American Chief. Some true ball shells. Great quality. And a Pulse Pounder. Basically 50-shot salute. It's amazing. And then just some firecrackers, bottle rockets. Color Pearl 48-shot. So, since it's been a year since I uploaded, if you guys see something you want me to record a video on, feel free to let me know, and I'll make it happen.